Taha Engineering Arts, we envision a future where industries are revolutionized through cutting-edge engineering simulations, innovative design solutions, rapid prototyping utilizing additive manufacturing, and immersive virtual reality experiences. Our dedicated team seamlessly blends engineering precision with artistic creativity, empowering clients to thrive in the digital age. We focus on providing unparalleled services in 2D and 3D engineering simulations, design modeling, rendering, testing, architectural and graphical animations, 360-degree virtual reality experiences, audio and visual arts production with 4K capture on 3-axis mechanical stabilisation, as well as 3D scanning, mapping, and prototype printing in a variety of materials and sizes. Regardless of the complexity of your custom design, we stand prepared to deliver the final product utilizing the benefits of the latest advancements in the industry. By harnessing advanced engineering technologies and leveraging cutting-edge artistic expertise, we aspire to deliver exceptional value, empowering businesses and individuals to manifest their visions with precision and creativity. Striving for excellence in everything we do, from the craftsmanship of our engineering designs to the artistry of our multimedia productions, we always aim to exceed expectations. Working closely with clients, partners, and stakeholders, providing expert guidance, resources, and support throughout the project lifecycle, we understand their needs to achieve shared goals and deliver customized solutions that meet their objectives with exceptional results. Conducting ourselves with honesty, transparency, and ethical integrity to build trust and credibility with clients and partners. We are constantly exploring new technologies and methodologies to deliver groundbreaking solutions. Committed to environmental sustainability, we minimize our ecological footprint and promote eco-friendly practices in all operations, thereby fostering sustainable growth into the future. At Taha Engineering Arts, our goal is to pioneer innovation and excellence in our services, transforming ideas into reality that inspire and empower.